Today I think I'm going to do a how-to on replacing the fluid in my front differential in my F-150. I'm going to try and do it without taking the cover off. That way I don't have to deal with, you know, resealing and all that. So if you are slightly interested in this, stick around. In order to do this, without removing the cover, I'm going to open up the fill plug and then use my brake fluid bleeder from my favorite place, Harbor Freight, and see if I can get it to participate by sucking the fluid out of the differential. Now, you may say, man, how's that going to work? We'll see if it works, if I can get it down there and get it to draw a vacuum in there. Really and truly, the front differential on my four-wheel drive only works about 1% of the time. It's never got a load on it. You usually, like I said, 99% of the times freewheeling. So I don't think it's that bad if we leave a little bit in there and replace it with the new stuff. So we'll see how it goes.